Today we're diving into an extremely powerful tool that has the potential to dramatically improve your trading experience. This TradingView indicator is much better than your standard MACD, RSI or stochastic. Its advanced features allow you to analyze price action on a totally different level, taking into account momentum, volume and even market sentiment. With this tool, your trade entries will become more accurate, which means you'll make more profit and avoid those unnecessary losses. The indicator I'm talking about is called RedK EverX Effort vs Results Explorer by RedK Trader. This script explores volume price analysis basic concepts and Wyckoff law effort versus result by inspecting the relative volume and the associated price action for each bar, showing the analysis as an easy to read stacked bands visual. Based on detailed analysis, it generates a metric known as the relative rate of flow. This is an intuitive oscillator that ranges between 100 and -100. It can be utilized to generate a signal whenever a bullish or bearish trend is identified over a specific number of bars as chosen by the user. For those of you who don't know, volume price analysis is a trading technique that examines the relationship between the volume of trades being executed and the price movement of those trades. This analysis aims to provide insights into market trends and potential reversals based on how volume and price interact. Here is a quick breakdown of the core concepts. The first component is the volume. Volume refers to the number of shares or contracts that exchange hands over a specific period, typically during a trading day. It's a measure of activity and liquidity in the market. High volume often indicates high interest or high uncertainty, while low volume may suggest disinterest or stability. The second component is the price. The price is the cost per share or contract at a particular point in time. It's influenced by supply and demand dynamics and reflects the market's consensus on value at a given moment. VPA uses these two key data points and examines how they influence one another. Here is how the analysis works. The first scenario is when the volume is up and the price is up. This signals that the market is in a bullish phase as a rise in trading activity pushes prices higher. It could indicate a continued uptrend if the high volume persists. The second scenario is when the volume is up and the price is down. This could mean that the market is in a bearish phase as increased activity pushes prices lower. If high volume continues, it might suggest a continued downtrend. The next case is when the volume is down and the price is up. This could suggest a potential price reversal to the downside. Low volume might indicate a lack of conviction in the current uptrend. Lastly, we have a scenario when the volume is down and the price is down as well. This could point to a potential price reversal to the upside, as the lack of volume might mean there is a lack of interest in the current downtrend. VPA is used by traders to validate the strength of price movements and to spot potential reversals or periods of consolidation. The Wyckoff Principle, on the other hand, states that the volume of trading or the effort should generally produce a corresponding change in price or the result. Wyckoff traders monitor the relationship between volume and price to predict potential price movements. Here are the key implications of the law. The first one is when the effort and the result are in harmony. If a high volume of trading or a high effort results in a significant price move or a notable result, the market is behaving as expected. This situation can signal a continuation of the current trend. For example, if heavy selling leads to a significant drop in price, the market is in a consistent bearish phase. The second implication is when the effort and result are in disharmony. If a high volume of trading, which is high effort, does not lead to a significant price move, there is a divergence indicating potential market weakness or a possible trend reversal. For instance, if there is heavy buying volume but prices don't rise significantly, this suggests that the market may not be as bullish as it seems. The law of effort versus result is a powerful tool for traders who can interpret its signals effectively. Let me now show you how you can apply the features of this indicator in practice. But first of all, let's access the indicator settings and open the style. To make the indicator easier to read, let's increase the opacity of its components. Once you're done, scroll all the way down to the levels. Leave only two of them, 50 and -50. Alright, now let's move on to the buy and sell signals. A buy setup looks like this. First, the indicator falls below the -50 level. This condition ensures we're buying in an oversold market. Second, the smooth band crosses the signal band to the upside. Once we have a cross, it's time to inspect the volume and price bars. First, let's look at volume. The bar must be green or bullish at the time of the cross. It also needs to be strong enough. A strong enough volume is considered when the bar exceeds the 50 level. The last step is to inspect the price bar. The price bar is located below the volume bar. A buy signal is valid only if the current bullish bar is taller than the last bearish bar. Conversely, a sell signal would be valid if A. The indicator rises above the 50 level, B. The smooth band crosses the signal band to the downside, C. Bearish volume exceeds the 50 level, and lastly, the current bearish bar is taller than the last bullish bar. To add an extra confirmation to these signals, I recommend using two more tools. One that identifies a long-term trend and one that spots market consolidation. For the first one, I like to use Nick Rypock Trailing Reverse by Everget. Once the indicator has been installed, open its settings and change this value to 1. Then go to the style and hide these buy and sell labels. You can easily detect market trends using this tool. When the price is above the trailing reverse line, the market trends upwards. When below, downwards. For the indicator number 2, add consolidation zones by Lonesome the Blue. This tool is very handy and you can use it with pretty much any strategy. What this indicator does, it finds consolidation zones in real time. In simple words, these are no trade zones or times when the trading volume is very low. Before you start using it, open the inputs and change this value to 3. You can also adjust the color of these zones. Let's make them gray. Now take a look at the next examples of how you can buy with this strategy. In the first example, we see the price makes a large move to the upside followed by consolidation. The red K indicator became oversold. Shortly after that, a buy signal was issued. The signal was confirmed by both the volume and price bars. Notice that the price remained above the trailing reversed line this whole time. The next buy signal appeared after another short-term price correction. Literally the same pattern appeared in the price. A sharp move to the upside, a market correction with a followed oversold condition, and a valid buy signal. You see traders, just like that you can catch really big price movements. All you need is a solid strategy with clear rules that gives you early trend continuation entries. This price pattern repeats in a bearish trend as well. Here is how you can spot it. First, identify a bearish trend. Second, wait for a price correction after a massive sell-off. During this correction, the red K indicator must become overbought and then issue a sell signal. Once you have that, examine the volume and price momentum. Make sure the volume bar exceeds the 50 level. Selling pressure must be present. Let's look at another example. Watch how rapidly the price declined. As soon as the range phase ended, the market showed signs of a continuing bearish trend. The indicator produced a perfect sell signal which was confirmed by volume and momentum. Overall, the red K EverX is a super useful and versatile tool. Give it a try and I'm sure it will no doubt make you a lot of money. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Smash the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe to TradeIQ for more ideas in the future.